Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for the steps or step goals on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our device, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, basically the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. After you open the menu, find the health option, and once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll through the options, find the steps, tap on them, and now scroll down. And at the bottom, you will see option called Set Targets. Tap on it, and here we can change the goal for the steps by swiping up and down on the screen. So set it to the amount of steps you like, then tap on the check mark, and you will see that the goal for these steps updated, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the step goals or goal for the steps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.